Lesson 1. Who is this? Let's find out.
Today is career day. I am happy.
Yes, it is. I am proud to spend it with you.
Yes, you will see a teacher today.
Hello, Beary. Let's go to school. Hello, Hoppy. Hello, Squeaky.
Are you ready to see the school? Yes, let's go. Wow. The school is so big.
Who is this?
It's a teacher. I am a teacher.
Who is this?
It's a student. Hoppy is a student.
Yes, I am a pupil too.
What do you want to be, Hoppy?
An astronaut.
I want to be a teacher. Welcome to our brand new show. We're so excited for this.
Hello, I love to sing. Who is this, Hoppy? It's a singer. They sing well. Wow, what do you want to be? So cool.
Arturifi, I want to be a singer. You will be a great singer.
Look at this beautiful picture. Who is this? It's a painter. They paint pictures. Yes. I am a painter.
What do you want to be, Squeaky? I do not want to be a painter.
What do you want to be?
Lesson 3. Who is this? Hello! I am a yummy carrot. Who grows the carrots? It's a farmer. He's here. Yes. A farmer grows food for us.
What do you want to be, Squeaky? I do not want to be a farmer.
Look here. This is cool. Who is this? It's a fireman. A fireman stops fires. They are brave.
Is a fireman strong?
Yes. A fireman helps people. What do you want to be?
I want to be a fireman.
Lesson 4. Look here.
Who is this? It's a vet. My mother is a vet.
I help sick animals.
And who is this?
A doctor helps sick people.
What do you want to be, Feather?
I want to be a nurse.
A nurse?
Yes, a nurse helps the doctor.
Today is a great day.
Yes. We learned about many jobs.
You are all wonderful children.
Work hard for your dreams.
Goodbye. See you next time.